Hi guys, we're in the lost chamber in Atlantis. Look. It's amazing. Oh my gosh. It's my dream to be. Oh my. This is what you'll see when you come. Oh my goodness. Wow. Let's go. Wow. A snake. I can't wait. Trident, guys. Look at this. And the lost world. I'm gonna turn this camera and you check it out. Thanks for coming with me.